I want to introduce to you a project that I'll be doing here very quickly. Bringing this old sewing machine back to life has great benefits for you. Therefore, if you come across one of these, I suggest that you grab it. Get it up because there are benefits to owning one of these. I'm going to show you how to make it work again, even if you know nothing about them. Hi, my name's Marvin. I'm from Mars Fix-It Shop. And I asked the question, can it be fixed? And most times, yes, sometimes no. Is this one of the no's or is it one of the yes? Therefore, watch to the end of this video to see not only if I can fix it, but also to hear the benefits of owning one of these that it will have for you. There are benefits of having one of these beauties in your home. So how do I go about fixing an old sewing machine? In my shop here, what I would do first is disassemble this base, clean it all up, and paint it. Then I would go through this head up here, and I would clean it all up, clean these up with a little still wool vat, get some special oil, 3-in-1 oil or sewing machine oil, after cleaning all these moving components here and underneath. There's several components underneath. You can see them down in there. Clean them all up, get them all lubricated, and you'll have to get a belt. This one here, the belt's missing, and you can see this treadle right here. As the belt comes through here, goes right there, moves this wheel, makes everything go up and down. Now there's a little history behind this, and I'm going to share that story with you. First of all, those who don't know me, my background, or my mom and dad were older Amish. They were excommunicated when, even before I was born. And this type of thing is what they would have used in their home, not having electricity or anything like this. But this particular machine here was built somewhere in Ohio. I forget the name or the location. But it was built in Ohio, and it was my wife's grandmother's sewing machine. My guess is she bought this new probably sometime turn of the century, 1900s. She was in her 90s when she died. We were young. My wife and I are 70, been married for 52 years. And my wife's sister had this. Knowing that I have a fix-it shop and like to record videos, she asked me if I wouldn't tackle it. First, I didn't really want to, but I decided to do it because it had a little special meaning to the family. And so fixing this is more than just for me fixing an old sewing machine. It's fixing a piece of our family history that I want to pass down to my grandkids and their grandkids someday. And one of the reasons why I have this channel is to share the insights, the heritage, and the information that I've accumulated over the years to just share with my grandkids and their grandkids. And this being part of that history. After getting this all cleaned up and laid out, repainted, and when I show the video really doing that, I will go into more detail, but there's a process that I go through in doing that. And now with this wood finish here, it's dark, it's faded, it's old, but I have a product that I use and we'll put on here that will bring that back to life. And saving the old patina for me is valuable. Some people may want to strip it, that's fine, go ahead if you want to. I may try to clean the black paint off of this to get some of the decals back in. I do have the parts that are missing on the face of these drawers. I will add those back in. I will get the belt over at the local hardware store and put it on, and I will get this thing functioning, and I'll actually show it in operation. The needles, everything I need, I believe, to get this working, I can get at the old 142-year-old hardware across the alley. But that's not a given. I don't approach these projects thinking that it's going to be a piece of cake. I always run into obstacles. And that's part of the journey for me. And that's why I invite you to follow along with me in that journey. And we'll get to know each other in the process. Let me know about the projects like this, or if you've ever used an old treadle sewing machine, or if I'm wasting my time, or what you think about it. And if you like the type of stuff that I've just described to you in this sewing machine, I suggest that you watch this video right here. And please subscribe to my channel. Can it be fixed? Sure it can. Can you fix it? You're darn right you can.